I do think that the industry today offers much more chances than even just a few years ago. Now you have a constantly increasing numbers of buyers. And when I say buyers, I mean network stations, streamers, studios, and they all need content. And that is, in my view, even driven by the fact that we just had COVID, where we're not able to make any content. So storytellers, producers, anyone who creates story right now, I believe there are doors opening that wouldn't be opening even a few years ago. But you need to know how to walk through those doors. You need to know what to walk through those doors with, how to be prepared, and what to ask for. And that's something that the Business and Management Entertainment Certificate and all the related courses will teach you. Knowing what you don't know is important, and because that's your path to green light. That's your path to getting your project made. And what the certificate offers, or what each of the courses offer, is a path to make that happen. And it doesn't really matter if you're a writer, a director, a producer, or even a financier. I even have networks executive from HBO and Netflix in my classes. I have lawyers in my classes. It is about knowing the rules, how they apply. It's about knowing how far can you push, what to negotiate for, what terms are right, what terms are wrong, what deals are right, what deals are wrong. How can you protect yourself as a producer, as an artist, even as an investor? What possibilities do you have to make sure you're not tapping into the known pitfalls? And there are so many. Learning from people that do this, I think, is important. And also learning from the various guest speakers we all have in our courses is essential. And because these are people that do this every day, that produce, that finance, that distribute, that represent talent, that are buyers and work for networks, learning from those people, I think, is key. And I don't even know a place where that actually happens other than in this program.